Right, Year 4, you can see how I've written Monday into my book already using that top line. Now, I'm hoping the way I've done it, you should be able to see me modelling it. So Monday, the 18th of January. Remember, use those capital letters for months and then the year, and then using your ruler, neatly underline the date and Walt, and then learning objectives. So we are learning to spell words with the suffix A-T-I-O-N, and they are your spellings for this week, and underline it again. Right, you might want to pause it if you have to. Right, I think that it's working. I might just have to keep moving the arm a little bit. Right, so in your best handwriting today, I want you to practice joining some letters that are going to form that suffix A-T-I-O-N that goes at the end of a word. So we're going to start with a line of, in your absolute best handwriting, because remember, we're still looking to give out pen licenses. So, and I have seen some fantastic handwriting so far. So remember, we lead in, then the A and the T. Remember, a T is a descender, an ascender, sorry. So it should be sitting higher than your other letters. And just like in class, doing a whole line all the way across of those specific letter joins. So when you're looking at your line, your joins should all look the same. Your letters should be of a consistent size. If I put my ruler there, I've pretty much got those A's all the same size. Now, another part of this suffix is joining the letters I and O. Now, I'm just going to check that you can still see that on the camera, yeah? So, up for the I, down and round. I, O. Now, these lowercase letters should sit on the line and they should be the same size. I don't want to see with your handwriting your letters like this. That's not what we want. That's not how it should look. They shouldn't be halfway on the line like this. We want to see nice, consistent letter sizes, nice spacing between the letters. Sometimes it's easier to do the joins and put the dots on the I's afterwards. Okay. All right, now you can still see that. We're going to move on to joining the whole suffix together now. So the letters A-T-I-O-N. Just remember, for your spellings purposes, they're the freebies, because if you know your spellings end with that, then you've only got to learn the first part of the word. That's what I normally tell you in school. If you've got a spelling pattern to follow, that's the free bit. If you know that all your spellings follow the same spelling pattern, you don't need to learn that bit in each word. You just need to learn the bit that goes with it. A bit like with the maths, with your times tables. If you learn one fact, you get those 3 free ones that I tell you about. Okay, so your handwriting should be looking a bit like my handwriting. And then the very last bit that I want you to do is practice writing one of your spelling words. So I've chosen the word information. The reason I've chosen information, A, it's a long word to try and keep your handwriting consistent over, It's got a descender in the form of the F, and it's got an ascender in the form of the T. So you're really practicing the best handwriting that you can do across all types of letters. We don't need to practice having a capital letter because we know that we don't join capital letters to the other letters in the word. They stand on their own. Don't force an extra word in the small space. All right, so that's your handwriting video for today, and then I will pop back up in another video to explain your English. There you go.